What's up, tubers? This is Ray from rwcweb.com. This is me, Rayware Computers, since 1996, starting my new YouTube page in 2021. Yeah, what took me so long, right? I'm an old school DOS geek, okay, and got this woodworking niche, I don't know, going since about 2018, I think. Had its ups and downs. Some people hate this guy, some people love this guy. Okay, but I'm going to use this domain that I have hosted on Bluehost, which I absolutely love. They're the greatest. Okay. Jumping right in, we're going to promote Fred's DIY plans. Okay. And sorry, a little background noise there. Okay, now if you're any kind of affiliate that has any kind of experience, you know, this part of it is a ClickBank product, blah blah blah, so forth. Okay, so we're gonna first take our link here. Now you don't want to sign up to the ClickBank products, and really unless they got an affiliate page. It helps quite a bit. Okay, because what I did, I already pre-formatted it using the text from the email swipes that they give you. Okay, like I got this right here. Okay, now I'm not going to send this out to my email list. I'm going to actually make this a Facebook friendly ad landing page, okay, for Facebook ads. Okay, so I want to take that out of there. There's a couple of things I want to change in here. Alright, now this is the HTML file that I created already. Okay, you saw it in probably one of my other videos. It's a little different. Okay, but I'm going to use this page here like this. And believe I already uploaded it. If not, we'll upload it real quick. Now, what you could do, I'm not going to do it as the file. In other words, I'm not going to have it as tedsplans.com and then Fred's DIY HTML. Okay, I'm going to do what they call an index. Okay, so rather than, you know, upload the file here, which you can feasibly do, and it'll still, you know, it'll still look like a URL, like, not like quite like this, of course. Like I said, it would look like this URL here, okay, with the HTML document. It's kind of cheesy to an expert, but most people don't even realize it. Okay, but what we're going to do is we're going to index the page, meaning that we're going to make a folder, okay, Fred's DIY, okay, it's going to be our new folder, and we're going to be right here. Okay, now if I go to Ted's Plans / Fred's DIY, you don't have to type in the HTML. Oh, it looks like the file's there. Alright, so the one I made the other video and show you how to make it is still there, but we're not going to use that. Okay, so we're going to go to Fred's DIY without nothing else, and it's a folder now. Okay, so we can actually see the files there. Now, without an index.html file in this directory.
Hi.
Okay. You see, that goes to the main page. Okay. It goes to the main page. Just mute that sound. Where it's tedsplans.com. Now, that's indexed. Okay. That, in other words, it has a file named index.html. Okay, and that avoids people seeing any of these files and so forth. So let's go make up one right now. Index. Again, this is in the Bluehost file management system. Great stuff. And this type of file management system is pretty consistent with all the big names, GoDaddy and so forth. Okay, so there's my file. So now that I've got an index file in there, it's not going to show anything. Okay, unless of course I put something in the index file. Okay, so let's edit it real quick. Okay, save it. Alright, come over here. Boom, there's the gibberish I just wrote. Okay, so it's that simple. It's not rocket science. Okay, now this, whoops, this is in the HTML end of it. Okay, which we're only going to use to grab this information. Okay, so I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to view the page source. And again, if you guys don't know about this, you probably need to learn this. And if you want to just drop me a line, I'll show you what this is all about. This is old school stuff, but most guys know it. Okay, or most people know it. Excuse my. Alright, so now I just copied and pasted, okay, the HTML from this, okay, that I made the other day, and I pasted it into my index file here, okay, in the subfolder, okay, Ted's plans. And you could do this as a subdomain too, but it's a lot more work, you know. But I like doing it in a folder because, you know, you just put them there and you leave them there, and that's that. You know, do subdomain for a bigger campaign, something more exclusive and more detailed and more permanent, you know. Because, you know, as an affiliate, if you've been in the game for any time, these pages come and go like crazy. If this don't make me anything, I mean, I'll probably leave it there, but you know, after a while, you go through so many of them. Okay, so we're on that page. Okay, so now we're going to close this out. Okay, and we're going to edit it in the HTML stock editor that's been around since like day one. Okay, so this is more like a word processor, and you have a lot more control over it than doing the code. Not really, but if you don't know code, this is one of the ways to do it. Now, once you see, like we made this in Aweber, okay, and you don't have to. We could do it all here, but I could tell by these red lines that are showing up. The format came in from Aweber, and that's fine. However way you want to make the page, you can make it on here from scratch as well. Okay, but I just did this to save some time in the video. Okay, so this is why, get that out of there, because we're not sending it, because remember, we captured it from the affiliate page, affiliate area, okay, of Fred's DIY plans. Alright, and what they do in the affiliate area, they give you all these email swipes. And I've even made these into PDF giveaways. Okay, because look at all the information that they're giving you. If I chop it down and don't make it personal like I'm giving it to my email address, I can make a web page from it. I can make, you know, PDF, you know, lead magnet from it, because it's information. You know, it's great information about the product. You don't have to keep going and type stuff to do your ads. Okay, so back at the ranch. So we're here. I like this here. I like that in red. Okay, just skimming over it. Pretty good. Now, like they say when you do the advertising, all caps on the first letter. Okay, so forth. You can do all that. Okay, you don't want to make it look like... Alright, so now we got to link this. First we're going to unlink it. Then I'm going to link this to my affiliate account. Okay, now I encourage you to do this through ClickBank directly, where it says promote on ClickBank. Because if my buddy Fred over here gets that information wrong, okay, and you know, you could test it. Alright, we'll see. Alright, so it's going to come here. Alright, I should really use that as a picture, but that's okay. Alright, so that's my link that I just created here. Okay. I'm going to copy and paste that. In case anybody didn't see that, I did that with the keys. Copy it. Okay, we're going to go back into the editor. And I'm going to put my affiliate link on this picture now. I use a picture now. Going in through Aweber, which is your email account, you know, your email list account. Going into Aweber, you have an option. Just going to test this real quick. You have an option to make the button with their stock site build it, landing page build it program. And those are great if you're going to put a short line on it. In other words, click here, sign up here. If you're going to put more than a you know, and obviously I forgot to capitalize those. This is a picture that I extracted from my website with the snippet tool. Okay, like so. Okay, real quick. It's just giving you where it came. You can get the picture of the button anywhere. You can get much better ones, much, you know, more suited to whatever you're doing as well. But I like to use a picture because when people look at it on the iPhone, that's the stock button builder. Okay, that's the stock button builder, and pretty much any of these, you know, hosting plans or email plans like Aweber, MailChimp, GoDaddy, okay, Wix, all of them. You want to use pictures on the button because it's better for the response. But if you just put like click here, I encourage you to use their system. Alright, so now what I want to do here, I'm going to see if I could do it in this, because we might not be able to do it with this. But I'm just going to see if I could do that. You're a little bit off the screen. Just writing some gibberish there. Okay, and I'm going to save it. See where it lands. Because sometimes, refresh the page, F5. Okay, and it did nothing. It moved it sideways. Okay, there it is. The other thing seemed to shift sideways. So sometimes what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab. It's always good to look legit. Okay. Copy that. And we're going to put it on the footer. Because even though, you know, we're promoting it, just going to put that there. See how that turns out. Okay, even though we're promoting the thing, we want it to, you know, it's still on our site. So, and you got to have a lot of the disclaimers and everything about ClickBank and all that other stuff. I got it way down here. It's teensy weensy. It's off the screen. You can't see it. But I just copied it, and I'm going to add that to the mix in here. Okay. That's interesting. Alright, I'll put that in there, and that's the disclaimer. And, you know, as long as it's there, you don't have to make it pop out at people. Okay, because that's like strictly for legal stuff. Okay, you know, the fine print. Okay, so, whoops, I'm on the wrong one. Go backwards, wrong way. There we go. Alright, let me refresh this page. And we got it there. And it's all in there. Goes my screen. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to pause this video. Okay, just minor adjustments. Okay, so as you can see, it's all here. There are all the proper links. Okay. You don't have to get it so extravagant like going on with stuff, but it's got to be there. Okay, so now you see, now we're having a problem with this space right here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's see if this will do it. What's this say? Horizontal line. Insert page break. So let's see what my page break does. Because again, we took this HTML. If you do this from scratch, it's pretty easy. Alright, that looks like it'll do. So let's do a couple of those. right in place here. Boom, 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 boom. Well, I'm not sure what we could do with these horizontal breaks, but we're going to keep them going here because, oh, that's interesting. Let's put it down here. Try that guy. Looks like it's going on it. So you got to remember, HTML coding is linear. It just keeps going forward, you know. Not sure what's happening there. Let's see how she looks. Let's try to make some space. Give it another refresh. Alright, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Alright, and again, you know, you're gonna fix this up. I could easily use this, no problem. Okay, let me see. There we go. Okay. Huh. Got this guy. I'm gonna put you here. You want that down so it's not a distraction. In other words, you want all their eyes on that button of yours. Okay. And there's many different ways of doing this. Alright. Okay, now what's going on with that? Got that there. Why is this a gap of mania? Try it like that. See how she looks. Alright, we can live with that. Oh. Kind of eclectic. Okay. Again, we don't want it to be distracting too much. Let's go here. Okay. Divide and slide, baby. Divide and slide. Save it. Alright. Now, you always on your bridge page, every page, you want to get right to the point with stuff. Okay. And kind of like this. You know, it looks unusual, not like the norm. You know. But let me see if we could find out. That's normally the way it looks. And we got a little normal there. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay. Now, you want them to focus right here. Okay, so this is going to be it for this. So we indexed it, right? We indexed it. Okay, about that. And we put our link in there. Always test your links, test your links, test your links. Okay, it's going to take us here. Always look for your call sign, your ClickBank ID, or whatever ID they give you. Sometimes it's a number, sometimes it's something you make up. Okay, and then now what we're going to do, we know our name is up there. Whew, they make these elaborate landing pages. So let's go to the bottom and see. Add to cart. Now we're testing our affiliate link. Okay. And computer's getting slow. Okay, secure checkout. This is our product. And here we are. Okay. AMO.com. Okay, that's my call sign for ClickBank. So that part of it is good. Let's go back. And there you have it. Okay. So let's get rid of that one. Let's get rid of that one. Let's get rid of that one. Okay, this is my Rayware thing. That's where we land. So there you have it. Just a quickie. Okay, close that, close that. Alright, now I could go as far as putting a favorite con in here and things like that. Now what I'm going to do with this guy, I'm going to run a Facebook post and boost it first. Just try for shits and giggles. See how that works out. Okay. Now I don't have a pixel set up with this Ted's Plans. And I could probably use a pixel from one of my other sites, but you should always set up your pixel too, especially. And when you go to do the pixel or any kind of tracking, you know, use the guy, Fred's DIY. Alright, tubers. So this is Rayware Computers, old school DOS Geek. Okay, starting my YouTube channel in 2020. Hey there, tubers. This is Ray from Rayware Computers, RWC Web. Starting my new YouTube channel. Hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. There'll be plenty more videos where this came from.